Hello, everyone. In this video, I will show you how to save Chatgpt conversation as Word document. So let's get started. The first method is straightforward. Simply copy the entire conversation in Chatgpt by selecting the text. Open a Google Doc or Word document and paste the conversation there. Then, save the document as a PDF. This is a quick manual method that works universally. For a faster and more efficient way, you can use Chrome extension called Save Chatgpt to PDF. Here's how. Open a new browser tab and search for Save Chatgpt as PDF extension. Then click on Chrome Web Store link. Then click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add extension. Once installed, go back to Chatgpt webpage and now refresh the page. After this, click on Save as PDF button on the top. Then the PDF file will be downloaded. Once it is downloaded, open your favorite browser, then create a new tab. Then search for PDF to Word. I love PDF. Then click on the first link. Then click on Select PDF. Then select PDF from your computer. Then click on Convert to Word. Then click on Download Word. Then your Word file will be downloaded. Then you can open it on your Word file. And that's how you save Chatgpt conversation as Word document. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.